Shalom! Sister Kate here with my new Pioneer Maid stove. And Pastor and I are doing experiments with it. So we've been putting wood in different increments to kind of test how the thermometer works and everything. And right now the one on the very top here reads 600 degrees. I don't know if you can see that.
That's a little bit hot.
That's a little bit hot. And we put in maybe 5 short logs into the firebox, and so I thought, is that really accurate, 600 degrees? So I decided to try to fry an egg on top, and they cooked right up. That took about, 5 minutes. They're hard. I put water on top. You see this thing's rocking back and forth because it is pretty warm. This is right over the
And the bottom's not really flat.
Yeah, the bottom's not really flat.
This thing's not focusing correctly. There you go.
It's starting to boil. It's got the little bubbles in it. I also put our water container for our tea up here to see if that would start boiling. And I've got a biscotti baking in the oven, which is, whoa, too hot now. Whoa, dude. It's burning.
It's going to take us a while to learn this thing.
Right? That's Pastor's favorite flavor right there. But the stove was at 300. And then we had put all that wood in, and then there's a thing on the back that you move that makes the heat go around the stove. And the temperature in the oven now says almost 400 degrees. That's why that started to burn, because that was supposed to be at 375. So we're learning it, but it is like cranking the heat out right now. And I am doing one of those things I talked about doing, which is having multiple things going on at the same time. So more experimentation needed, but super psyched about it. Shalom!